big strikes every time she moves. And everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you.
So quiet in here. It's like you could hear a pin drop.
What's up, y'all?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal, back with another video. We have a photo bomber, or a video bomber, I don't know.
Wow.
What would be good?
Guess video bomber.
A video bomber, yeah. He's just in that corner because he's tired. He's had a long day. So,
Busy.
very, very, very busy. So, you know, try not to pay too much attention to him over here. But today I'm back with another video, and I know you guys recognize this look because it'll be in another video. But I figured I would just do another video for you guys because I got my Fabfitfun box, and I know
I had to pick up. Sorry.
Okay.
I'm just saying. And delivery fees.
Delivery fee? You better stop.
On a tired day, I said, don't take that shit.
So, I know the first video I did of this didn't do so well, like as good as I wanted it to do. But, so I was kind of contemplating whether I should do it again or just, you know, dead the whole thing altogether. But I figured I would just record it either way and open the box up because I feel like my opinions and my reactions are 100% more genuine when I do it on camera. I'm gonna open the box now because we want to get right into the whole reason for the video. By the way, I love the box. Let's turn it around better. Scissors. Thank you. So this is the winter box, and obviously I have the regular subscription because I'm not doing all that extraness. I really don't care too much about getting products early, you know, before everybody else. Not for me, it's not that serious, but obviously there is that option. So for people who do have that subscription, they would have had their box already. So it's not so much that I'm late, it's just that I'm more with the other people who get our box a little later on from everyone else. But yeah, so we're gonna open it up. And I don't know if I mentioned this before, but this one has a little saying here, find your cozy. Adios. This is the book. You guys know it always comes with a book, which I happen to really like a lot because it tells you about the products, which for me is the best thing because just reading, you know, reading what's on the product itself doesn't always tell you everything you want to know. So the magazine kind of gives you insight into all that stuff, and I guess how the whole box came about, which is really cool. And now to the best part. I'm gonna open the box up. Oh shoot! So let's start with the first item. This is from Elevate. It's 2 essential oils, eucalyptus and sweet orange. I'm trying to figure out what kind of oil this is. Let's open it up because, you know, it's always fun to see exactly what this is. It comes very protected in here. And this is a 100% natural essential oil. So I'm obviously going to have to read the magazine to figure out what this is for because right now I am clueless. Maybe I should open one just to see how it smells. So this one is the sweet orange. And the other, just want to smell the other one, might as well, is the eucalyptus, which I already know how eucalyptus smells. Okay, so these are essential oils. I wonder if they're for the body or the hair. I don't know. So first item. Second second item, we have Thrive Cosmetics. Cause as in C-A-U-S-E. That's very unique. Thrive Cosmetics. This is it says Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick. Okay. Let's see. Come out the box, why don't you? And this is how it looks. I like the color. Highlighting stick. This is how. This is a really. This is interesting. You know I love me a highlighter, so you can never have too many of this. That's a very nice. It's like a light shimmery gold shade. Next product, a Hava Hydration Cream Mask. This is okay, it's supposed to infuse and nourish thirsty skin. A rich creamy texture softens and smooth skin, providing intense hydration and comfort. I've been getting so many things lately about hydration, which is good because your skin can actually, you know, not have as much hydration as it should. This is from the company. Am I even showing you guys the items? Am I like showing you guys? I'm crazy, aren't I? Okay. This is from the company Black. And this is an eye mask which has hyaluronic acid, which I love. It's very good for people with acne prone skin. So I guess this is supposed to help you cleanse. And it's 5 masks in here, which is pretty good. That's a good amount, I would say. Next thing we have in here is a lippy. This is from the this is from Bite Beauty, and this is, I don't know if it's a matte or a shimmer, but let's see. I'm gonna open it and we're gonna swatch it so we can see. So this is how the box looks. This is the actual item. I love that this has like such a sophisticated look to it, and then it's like that like noise it makes when you open it is. So this is how the lippy looks. Swatching. Oh, this is a really cute color. I feel like I have one like this, but I don't really know if this is a matte. I don't see it anywhere on the box. I'm always getting a lippy, which I like because I started like really getting into the whole lipstick thing. You know, I didn't really like that before, so it's kind of ironic that now I'm always getting a lipstick. Next we have this is from Sherry Matthews Acupuncture. This is the Jade Roller. And just so you guys know, they do, even though you don't have the early subscription, they do give you the option of picking. Well, I don't know if they do that on a regular, but I do know I got an email giving me the option to pick some of, like, 3 of my items that was gonna be in my box. And, so for each option, there was two other options, and one of them was free and one had like an added on price to it. So obviously I went for everything that was free because I'm not gonna pay more. I'm already paying for the box itself. So some of the stuff in here I did like request that I wanted. So I believe this Jade Roller was one of them. So let's see. This is, let's see. Because I really wanted to know the benefits of this. I just heard so many things about this. I don't know. It's supposed to, what is this supposed to do? It's supposed to stimulate energy and Promote a feeling of facial relaxation and general well-being. Say hi, Missy. We could hear your bell. That would be real creepy, right? If she actually said hi. Okay. Yeah, that was you, babe. I know. So this is how the jade roller looks. I've heard a lot about, you know, this particular type of product, and I also heard that if you keep it in the fridge, it gets nice and cool, and like you massage your face with it, like especially the eye area, it kind of gives you like an awakened look, you know, so just to brighten up your face in the morning. So I'm definitely gonna be trying that. Next product, this was another product that I was able to request. This is the Bear Paw. This is from Bear Paw, and if you're hearing any like sudden noises, hubby's in the next room, and it's almost impossible for him to stay quiet. Look at him being all helpful. Thank you, baby. You know the cool thing about this, you could actually give this to someone as a gift.
Yeah, exactly.
So, but this is really cool. I owned the boots from the same company, and it lasted me really long, and it was very affordable, and most importantly, it was warm. So when I saw this, and especially since this is a winter box, I figured this would be a really good item to have. So feels very warm too, and because it's black, it can go with anything. We have a blanket. Oh my gosh, I saw all the posts on Instagram about this blanket, and they had them in 2 different colors. I believe it was a white one and a gray one. Thank God I got the white one. I mean the gray one, because the white probably would have been hell, you know. So this is from the company Mark and Graham, and this is what the blanket looks like. It feels very, very soft. I like the texture of it. Yeah. So that's that. It's practically self-explanatory. It's a blanket. This is from the company Halston. I don't really know what this is. I'm assuming this is probably like the jewelry case, if I'm not mistaken. And it looks like it is. It's a very nice gold material with a very big zipper. This is a very decent size, and this is how it looks when I open it up. Let's take this out, and this is supposed to be something that you can travel with, or take your jewelry with you on the go. So this is where you would put your necklaces, and you can flip this part over right here. And there's a little zipper here. You could, I guess, drop little things in here, like maybe the backs of your earrings. You can hang all your earrings here. I don't know if you can see the little holes right there. You know, you have a little strap right here where you could strap things. So it's very cute and sleek and easy, and keeps your jewelry organized on the go, whether you're going on a trip or whatever. And this is practically all the items in my box. I practically love everything. I'm more excited about the facial products as usual. The headband and the gloves, as well as the jewelry case, are very good gifts to give to someone, like even the blanket. But as far as the facial products, they're all mine. I'm not sure. But hey guys, this is it for my Fabfitfun box. This is the winter edition. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below letting me know what items you got in your box and what items you like the most, or you know, look forward to using. But as always guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The little red button right there takes nothing out of you. It doesn't cost you anything. Just hit that red button. That way you're always in the loop of all the videos I have posted up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, so you'll be the first to know anytime I upload a video. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys on my next video. Bye guys.